Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So you have been wondering how can you verify your Facebook account and get that blue tick on your profile? Then you're in the right place. Today in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that in a very easy and clear method as well. So follow up with me till the very end and let's jump right into it. Now first, since we're gonna be using the Facebook app on this process, make sure we have this app updated. You can go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're using. And again, let's make sure we have the app updated to the latest version. After that, go ahead and open Facebook, and from here you can tap on the profile picture in the top right corner right here to open the menu. From the menu you can go to settings by tapping here in the top right corner, or you can scroll down, tap on settings and privacy, then select settings in the top. In both cases, just go ahead and open settings. From settings you need to go ahead and open the account center, so tap right here at the top. From account center, in the bottom section you find Meta Verified. Go ahead and tap on it, and from here guys you get the steps on how can you get your account verified. You can read these features and tap on next in the bottom, and from here you can choose the account that you want to get verified and tap on sign up this account or profile, and from here you'll get the last, or basically from here you need to go ahead and pay, so tap on continue in the bottom, and you need to go ahead and pay. Basically it's $40.99 per month, and of course to get verified you need to be at least 18 years old of age, and you have to have an account that is named with your official or your real name on your ID card, and have the method or two-step verification turned on your account for your account to be able to be verified. And that's basically it for this video guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. Of course, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.